Hello guys, it's Esther. So let's start with the line for the stocking and then continue it towards the left side and add a curve and then curve it up and you have your little sock. But now let's make it into a stocking. So let's add the rectangle on top. Alright, now we're going to add the little face. So we're going to add a circle and then a circle inside of the circle and then color in the bigger part and then do it one more time. And then just add your little smile in between or in the bottom. Okay, now we are going to start adding the detail. So we're going to add the front of the stocking first. So we're going to add a little curve and finish it up on the other side. And then we're going to add little stitches. So we just add little dashes. And then we're going to do the ankle. So you add a curve and then finish up the pencil mark. And then the stitches. Alright, now just continue the lines and then stop at the rectangle. Alright, now we're going to make the rectangle like a little bit fluffy. So we are going to add little waves, not too exaggerated, just slightly. Alright, and then just finish up the lines that don't touch. Now we're going to add the little hook and add the little loop. Okay, now we're going to color it. So you can color it at any color as you'd like, but I'm going to color it, I guess, the classic color, red. Thank you for watching my video, and if you would like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And to see more updates and sneak peeks, follow me on Facebook and Instagram.